Is it?
Yes! Advit is completing his truck.
Now two, remove two with your nail. Yeah, come on, take this. Yeah. Yes. Come on. Take from here, Yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Yes!
Good baby. Now three. Take three. Yes. Where will it go? On the tree. Yeah.
Wow! Good job!
Now four. Yes.
Doing good work. Wow! Wow!
Yes.
Yes!
Now five. Yeah. Take six. Yeah.
Wow!
Come on, page six. Yes. Now try seven with yours. Take this. Yeah. Yes. Yay!
Wow!
Come on, seven.
Yes!
Two,
Two,
three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay!
7 containers.
Yay!
Yay! Wow!
Now this one, where it will come? Come on. Keep the container on the track. Yes. This is a bigger one.
Wow! Completing the trucks.
Now, the next container, where it will come? Come on, Advit. Keep the container. Yes.
Yes, this is a big one.
Now, the last one.
A small truck.
Okay, yes. Come on. Yes.
Yay! Wow! Good job! Wow.
Which one is the small? With the finger? Yes. This is the smaller one. Yes, good one. Which one? Yeah, this one is the bigger one. Yes, 2. Now 3.
Where will you paste your tree?
3.
3.
Now where is 4? 4 finger. 4. Now 5. Okay, now 5. See?
Where will you paste your 5?
5. Yeah.
Yes, 5.
Oh.
Wow!
Now where is 6?
6.
6. Check 6. Where is 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
7.
Paste your 7.